all the varieties I'm going to showcasing you. Please take the screenshot and send it to the screen available number. You want to be notice some of the heavy stocks are available in our company. Apart from this print sections, many of the varieties in silk also, and some of the cottons also, or some of the kurtis, either apart from many of the other ladies wear collections also. But guys, in this video I'm going to showcasing you one by one some of the unique and newly arrived beautiful collections, which are one of the highly and running and moving product of our company. So guys, first of all, in my hand, in these kind of the concepts, I'm going to showcasing you on the brasso concepts. See, in these kind of beautifully, you're going to be noticing these kind of the pallu designs. All the varieties, these kind of concepts will be premium concepts. Some of these kind of the region, all the tasters and preferences of our collections of sarees you will be get at under one roof, which you name it Kesaria Textile Company. Single piece will not be delivered. You have to purchase in a set wise. In each set, 6 to 7 different color shades you will be get with the particular range also. Either you will be the wholesaler, either you will be the retailer, or you want to start your new businesses from your home. Then also most welcome. For all the rate will be same, yet it's one of the benefit of our company. And next sarees I'm going to showcasing you one of the beautiful sarees. One of these kind of beautiful saree you're going to be see. These all are come in the concepts and varieties of brasso or georgette in these kind of variety. See, fully saree open in front of you, 6.30 meter length you will be get in these kind of concepts. See, 6 to 7 different color shades in each variety you will be get. And guys, you want to be notice some of the customers are there in this kind of variety. And last but not the least, one of the beautiful variety I want to showcasing you. See, in these kind of beautiful sarees, length will be 6.30 meter length approx, and you're going to be notice some of these kind of beautiful designs and blouse system also, and you're going to be notice some of the fabricated products. You're going to be see these kind of multicolored work also you will be get in this kind of variety. Some these kind of English colors like 6 to 7 different color shades you will be getting all variety. See, all I'm showing in this particular ranges will be 300, 335, 639. One of these kind of the ranges will be 639 or 640 or 650. Means the concepts will be starting from the range will be 61. But some of these kind of beautiful concepts, which are very highly moving product of our Kesaria Textile, the range will be 155 also. Many of the varieties, some of the 100, 105, 200, that kind of the ranges also we are manufactured here. And any of the concepts you want to be interested to see, then please know me in our comment sections and call the screen available number for any of the variety. So guys, in this video that's all. Please know me all your reviews, opinions or feedbacks in our comment section. Till there, see you in the next video. Take care. Goodbye.
साड़ी कुर्ती या हो लहंगा, सही दाम का नाम केसरिया, सही दाम का नाम।